Hello, friends. In the lecture series of digital and social media marketing, today we will focus on online communities and co creation. See, this agenda is very interesting and very important for any company who want to go for the marketing because without understanding the communities or liking or disliking of the customers, it is very difficult for getting the fruitful result. So, an online community, which is also called an internet community, is a virtual community whose members interact with each other via the internet. For many, online communities may feel like home, consisting of a family of invisible friends. Invisible friends का मतलब ये है कि there are so many people who are connected to each other, but they are not getting their IDs, right? But they can give their feedback online. So those who wish to be a part of an online community usually have to become a member via a specific site and necessarily need of internet connection. An online community can act as an information system where members can post, comment, or discussions, give advice on collaborative. So, commonly people communicate through social networking sites, chat rooms, forums, email lists, and discussion boards. So, people may also join online communities through video games, blogs, and virtual worlds. Now, here we will discuss about there are mainly four types of online communities and their benefits also. The first one is the social communities. See, social community का मतलब ये है it includes public social network like Facebook, Twitter and Instagrams. So brands use social communities mostly for marketing purposes, broadcasting information, building brands awareness, and reaching greater audiences for companions and messaging. So social communities are useful for tracking what your competitors are up to and identifying broad customers trends. 93% of large companies uses Facebook, and this is basically reported by the social media examiner report in 2015. So because the social communities is playing here a very important role, which is online communities, and they have their own benefits because they are interconnected through the many various social media platforms. So they can give, and you can say that many companies are using the Facebook also. नेक्स्ट इज द सपोर्ट कम्युनिटीज़. दूसरा जो सपोर्ट कम्युनिटीज़ है वो क्या करती है इसमें कि द सपोर्ट कम्युनिटीज़ इनेबल मेंबर्स टू ऑफर प्रोडक्ट टिप्स टू अदर कस्टमर्स, हेल्पिंग कंपनीज रिड्यूस कस्टमर सपोर्ट कॉस्ट. तो बेसिकली क्या होता है व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द माउथ टू माउथ communication, it will help or minimize the customer support cost also. So compared to the social communities, this category provides a more structured way of gathering innovative ideas because support communities allow brands to track product and service related conversations. So this is the main advantage of the service community. Next is advocate community. Advocate communities allow brands to mobilize their most passionate, loyal customers. It is also known as advocate marketing software. This community type often rewards a member for writing a testimonials, posting about the company on social media, and doing other similar activities. So this is basically helping the companies to advocate on their side. So uh, we have to consider that how these communities can help to the for the branding also. So last is the inside community. Inside communities क्या है कि basically it is made up of a carefully selected group of customers who maintain a long term relationship with brands. ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो कि एक पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड को पसंद करते हैं और दे विल नेवर चेंज देयर ब्रांड ऑल्सो. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ कम्युनिटीज इज वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर द industry or any company. So these communities allow companies to gather continuous high quality feedback from engaged stakeholders like customer. क्योंकि customers भी एक आपका stakeholder है, तो वो जो feedback देता है, these feedbacks are very important for any company or feedback by the partners or employees. So these are very helpful for the company for their strategy. So already a mainstream market research tool, this category is quickly finding its way in marketing, customer experience and innovation. So all these type of online communities are helping for the online marketing. Next, let us first understand what is the meaning of co-creation. Co-creation का मतलब ये है कि जैसे for example, if we are talking about जो अगर हम ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर की फर्स्ट स्पीच की बात करें तो उन्होंने जनता कर्फ्यू के लिए जो अपना स्टेटमेंट दिया था, उसको लेट अस जस्ट रिकॉल दैट स्टेटमेंट. दैट उन्होंने कहा था कि जनता कर्फ्यू जनता के द्वारा और जनता के लिए ही होगा. सो बेसिकली he want to involve the people such that the people can give the idea also. All people of the India should be informative, or they are working together. So when we are talking about the together, we will understand this is very clear that for any company success, the customer is prime concern. So when we are talking about the co-creation, it is basically we have to just take some customer as a part of the company strategy, and the company will create a innovative strategy. So we can say that the co-creation is a management initiative or a form of economic strategy that brings different parties together. For instance, a company and a group of customers, in order to jointly produce a mutually valued outcome. So therefore the co-creation brings a blend of ideas from direct customers or viewers. Viewers means who are not the direct users of the product, so which in turn creates new ideas to the organization. So co-created value arises in the form of personalized unique experiences for the customers, and ongoing revenue, learning and enhanced marketing performance driver for the firm. So these are basically the loyalty, relationship, customer, word of mouth. So value is co-created with the customers if and when a customer is able to personalize his or her experience using a firm product service proposition. Therefore, we have to just understand that the task which is done and which allow the firm to drive greater value from its product service investment in the form of new knowledge, higher revenues, profitability, and superior brand value or loyalty by the people. So there are some process which is involved for the co-creation. Mainly, the process of co-creation essentially involves two core steps. ये दो कोर स्टेप्स किसी भी कंपनी के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी हैं, जिसको समझना जरूरी है. फर्स्ट इज द कंट्रीब्यूशन एंड द सेकंड इज द सिलेक्शन. सो व्हाट इज द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ द कंट्रीब्यूशन? सी, कंट्रीब्यूशन मीन्स द सबमिशन ऑफ कंट्रीब्यूशंस बाय द पब्लिक टू द फर्म. जो पब्लिक की तरफ से जो भी सबमिशन है, राइट, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द कंट्रीब्यूशन. And next is the selection. Selection of most promising and appealing contribution submission. Selection is basically done by the company, right? So you can say that it is we have to just consider the contribution of the committee people, and then we have to go for the selection. Now, there are basically four types of co-creation where we can understand the contribution activities. First one is you can say that depending on the degree of control exercised by the firm over the contribution and selection activities, co-creation may be broadly classified into four categories. These are tinkering, submitting, and co-designing and collaborating. You can see in this picture also that how these are interconnected. I would like to say that when we are talking about the tinkering का मतलब ये है कि when the public exercise control over the contribution activity, while the firm exercise control over the selection activity. Now, in the case of submitting, फॉर्म एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट कंट्रोल ओवर बोथ द एक्टिविटीज. इसमें क्या है कि दोनों की दोनों जो एक्टिविटीज है, इट मीन्स द कंट्रीब्यूशन एंड सिलेक्शन आर डन बाय द फॉर्म. वेयर इज इन द केस ऑफ को डिजाइनिंग, फॉर्म एक्सरसाइज कंट्रोल ओवर द कंट्रीब्यूशन एक्टिविटी while the public exercise control over the selection activity. So here you can say that it is slightly changing because role is changing. Means if we are talking about, one is the firm and the second is the customer led. So last is the collaboration. Collaboration means इसमें क्या होता है कि जो पब्लिक की एक्सरसाइज है वो कंप्लीट कंट्रोल करती है ओवर द बोथ द एक्टिविटीज. बोथ द एक्टिविटीज मीन्स द कंट्रीब्यूशन एंड सिलेक्शन. So this is basically the contribution activity chart. So here I would like to give you some example of the customer co-creation examples. First, I have taken from the open source of IKEA. IKEA has designed a platform that allows a designer or anyone really to add or modify its furniture. मीन्स बेसिकली जैसे अगर हम बात करें कि इफ़ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एनी फर्नीचर विच इज़ मेंट फॉर द पीपल, और मीन्स वी हैव टू जस्ट फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड हु आर योर यूज़र. आपके यूज़र कौन है और उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है. तो अगर उसको हमने इन्वॉल्व नहीं किया तो वी विल बी नॉट मे बी not successful in the market. So therefore, in early 2018, you can say Swedish furniture and home goods retailer IKEA launched Co-Create IKEA, a digital platform who encouraged customers and fans to develop a new product. तो उन्होंने न्यू प्रोडक्ट डेवलप करने के लिए उन्होंने इसको यहाँ पे किया. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, बेसिकली ही हैज़ डेवलप्ड ए एडजस्टेबल फ्रेम ऑल्सो. So what exercise they had done, that they asking customers for product idea suggestions. दूसरा उन्होंने क्या किया कि रनिंग बूट कैंप्स टू वर्क विद एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, देन कोलैबोरेटिंग विद यूनिवर्सिटी स्टूडेंट्स ऑन प्रोडक्ट सॉल्यूशंस, यूनिवर्सिटी से भी उन्होंने लिए. इसके बाद उन्होंने कनेक्टिंग विद इनोवेशन लैब्स अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. तो ये चार जो पॉइंट्स थे वो उन्होंने कवर किए इसमें, जिससे कि उन्होंने आ गया. सो इफ ए सजेशन फॉर द फर्नीचर और प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन इज सक्सेसफुल, IKEA may license the technology or agree to invest in furniture products. So for designers and technically talented fans, this creates a strong incentive to gain exposure through the world's largest furniture retailer. So this approach has led to many thousands of customer suggestions, including variations on basic furniture design like this one. So just for example, if they use some adjustable frame, a frame that allows many different types of objects to be fitted. तो उसमें ये है कि suppose if you have a small size, you can see in this picture, in the first diagram you will see that this is basically the adjustable frame. Adjustable frame का मतलब ये था कि उसमें अगर suppose कीजिए कुछ बेड का साइज छोटा या बड़ा होता है तो उस फ्रेम का साइज इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज हो सकता है, राइट. सो इट इज नॉट restricted to the size of the bed. It is basically adjustable in length and width. Then the default kit means it is building on an aluminum base. So IKEA plans to sell snap-on seats, back and armrest. तो उसके लिए उन्होंने क्या किया था कि जो बेस था उसका वो उन्होंने एल्यूमिनियम बेस लिया था और उसके लिए उन्होंने इसको यूज़ किया. सो दिस इज़ अ बेसिक फर्नीचर यूनिट. आफ्टर दैट दे discussed or they get that add-on plans, means उसमें उन्होंने क्या किया कि सपोज कीजिए एडिशनल आर्म रेस्ट लगाए, प्राइवेसी स्क्रीन दे यूज एज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ थर्ड पार्टी एड ऑन. So it also plans to sell lamps and side tables that can be mounted onto the base. So because it was the requirement of the people, right? So they need a reading lamp also. Baby crib means example of a third party add-on. So this is basically an example of an open source furniture solution, Harvard Business School. I have taken this is from the Harvard Business School. Next example is DHL. This is the world largest courier services, and he has taken a great example of how customer co-creation can be successfully applied to service industries, not simply to the manufacture of products. See, interesting. This time also, let me first discuss this part, and then I can give you an idea that for this lockdown situation, how we can use a drone to provide its service to the user to transport the material. Okay, and let us just first think about that. What is the use of this DHL? And they developed, and basically DHL has hosted a workshop with customer in Germany and Singapore in an effort to find creative solutions and improved client experience. So the company has now formalized these workshop into DHL innovation centers. At these innovation center, customers are invited to talk to DHL employees and brainstorming new initiative to help company performance. One of the great ideas to come out of these sessions, a drone used for deliveries over challenging terrain, जहाँ पर कि इजी नहीं है पहुँचना, it's a challenging jobs. So they use a drone to provide the goods, and this approach to customer co-creation provided to be very fruitful as of early 2017, and DHL had held over 6,000 co-creation sessions with customers. So DHL co-creation efforts also helped customer satisfaction scores to rise over 80%, generating higher client retention as a result. So this example shows us that co-creation is never out of reach, even for the world's largest companies. See, if we talk about any successful company, or you can say one of the largest company, this is also the co-creation is a part of the company. So, if we talk about our innovative way that in this lockdown situation, sometimes people want in emergency some medicines, or you can say some other items, right? And suppose if you are residing in a flat system, now it is very difficult to move a person, right? Because there is a chances of the infection, you can say that corona or these things. तो उस केस में क्या करेंगे कि हम उस ड्रोन को वहाँ पे फ्लैट के बाहर ले जाके रोक सकते हैं, और वहाँ पे जा करके उसको जो मटेरियल है, जो भी उसको हैंड ओवर करना है, वो मटेरियल को वहाँ पे हैंड ओवर किया सकता है. तो दिस में भी ए चांस ऑफ सिस्टम वेयर वी कैन डेवलप. So this will be very helpful to serve in this particular situation, or in maybe in some future situations. So next, take that BMW, such a you can say one of the popular or richest company, is holding in 2010 a co-creation. The BMW also announced its first ever open innovation contest. इसका नाम था टुमारोज अर्बन मोबिलिटी सर्विसेज, विच लॉन्च्ड within a BMW co-creation lab. The context was as an opportunity for fans and customers to share their products, ideas, and options with BMW. See, BMW is always work on the innovation, always work. It is not like that whatever they design, they just because it's a costly affair. If the peoples are rejecting the innovations, or you can say that if the peoples are not accepting their design, now it's a failure of the company. right? So they developed a co-creation lab, and because the customers taste are always changing, and it is very difficult to keep and hold people's attention. People's attention means co-creation forces you to push boundaries, to be on the lookout for ongoing to mass market faster. So in this environment, you can say that because these companies are also working in the innovative ways, and they are taking the reviews, or you can say the feedback of the customers. So on this basis, they are going for the modification. Next, it is a very interesting slide that you should understand Coca-Cola. All of us are very familiar to this brand, and you can say that, for example, as of late 2018, Coca-Cola has entered a co-creation experiments with customers to make sure it Southeast Asia products strategy reflect the taste of the region and its people. Because as you know that the customer taste is always changing, they want news. So therefore, in this environment, Coca-Cola sees the answer in its customers. So to find out what its fans are looking for, Coca-Cola research and development team has been renting local entries across Southeast Asia and testing customer-driven variations on classic Coca-Cola products. So while the company is not prepared to reveal any type of results of these tests of reasons of confidentially, so it is happy to report that these variations are testing well with a lot of positive feedback from the customers. So this illustrates the value of the customer co-creation at the local level. We can say that even for well-known and celebrated products like Coke, a huge proportion of their sales depends on adjusting products on suit specific markets. So collaboration with communities helps them to achieve this. So it was done by the Coca-Cola that they want to get the taste of the people. They involve the people and create a co-creation boot camps or exercises and go for the experiment. So you can understand that what is the role of the co-creation, and how it is helping for the digital marketing services. Thank you very much.